fuck? Okay, let me. I guess God, that sucks. That's not better. So what is the start? Shit. Don't. Okay. We get bomb. Yeah. Then you want to do huge. Big. Man, he said. The name of the series, because I said so. I take that. What is going on? Anyways, this is pretty awesome. I know literally no one's gonna watch this. I'm just gonna record it. Oh, opa. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what to do here now. Okay, there's nothing I can do. Stop it! Okay, stop it. No, I'm not going to quit that deal. That shit can suck my ass. $8 and a battery? Oh, so good. Big. Maybe we can get something better than fucking skid scores. Yeah. Okay. I'm going right here. Oh no. I'm trying to fucking. I don't know. What is this run? Like, we move on, I guess. We try boss rush. Okay, we try boss rush, yeah. Okay, keep. I need to make bomb let me hit, but it's alright, it's fine. How's it going? I'm winning, you know? Good. Okay. Ask him from get. I hate you. Personal level. Okay, boots, very important. Missed shots, even more important. Is Ghost really auto-aiming or am I crazy? Good. We're not on long range. My bomb. I'm gonna try this. Right here. Okay. I'll be taking that. For real, for real. Wait, give me a second. Yeah. That'll be huge. There you go. That should be even better. Alright, that's going to be included because I said so. We go down. Yeah, okay. Fatties. Fettuccine cup. Now upgrade. $1 off, by the way. So, I work at Burger King. What do you do? Awesome. Can't hear what you're going to answer. Dude, these things are so scary. They just don't know what they might do. true inside you. Hey, I'm not gonna buy it yet. I wanna find boss, and then when you have boss, I'll go and buy it, and then we'll shred the shit out of the boss, and it'll be awesome. Yeah. So working at Burger King, right? That's pretty cool, I think. Okay. I'm so good at this video game. I'll go fight boss already. Maybe. Shit, bud. I knew it. Interesting. You give me head of the keeper right now. Coward. Let's do. And then we should move as fast as one speed allows us. Maybe 2 diamonds would have been better, but well, 9 schmeckles. And yeah, there we go. That's why you do that. Okay. The ooh. Yikes. Let's not waste our time here, fellas. Okay. Thought you were gonna do anything else. Okay. Alright. Blacktooth? Yeah, I dig that. I keep opening chests. Yeah, shit. Yeah. Okay, what the fuck is this? 2 spades? Again, I should have used it earlier. Okay. Are they ever gonna pay out with an item? Nuh-uh. Figure that shit out in 24 hours. Pay out an item. Okay. Mom bucket? That is cringe. That's charged penny. Yeah. One of the things of history.
2 of diamond.
It is strongly made. I'll touch book. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that was. I don't know what to think about that. Like, a huge angel rope had everything to be good, and then it just kind of wasn't. We got fucking 1/3 bookworm and reverse canon conception. Massive. And like $60, but you know. I need to keep my rhetoric of angel mid. Oh god damn it, I don't have a key, bro. I'll take the damage though. I've been showered in red keys. Red keys? Just keys? Sorry. Oh, see value in the thing. Completely forgot what that did. Hermit? Mid. Oh yeah, I remember. Wait, do I wield a fortune in the secret room? That could be pretty baller. Just to do this. Might fail it, might eventually. Wow. Come on. Okay. Okay. I want to do. I'm gonna go try and make that shit pay out. Get an item, get that certificate, and we win. I'll see if I get that certificate. I'm fucking taking skeleton key. Cause yeah. Go to jail. Oh. Okay. Yeah. question authority. The moon. Awesome. Ace of diamonds, that'll be useful later. Play two of clubs.
2 of clubs.
That's a lot of pawns. Can this even pay out when I'm not? Oh yeah, I think it can actually. God, these are all so fucking big. What are these again? Black feather? Yeah. Yeesh. Bye bye. Oh, yeah. We're back where we were, fellas. Chris Penny. Stephen Liz. You're playing it wrong. Rebirth got cancelled, guys. True. Shiny rock. Safety skis is interesting. Oh, I'm sad. Well, that was fucking doo-doo. Awesome. Honestly, this is what we do. Truth to God, don't know why this is what we do, but this is what we do. Yeah. One more? Nah. Is it a golden penny? I think there's a penny in here. It's lying. Oh, I guess there was a penny. How can he just made fucking trinkets? Oh my god. Well, explode up. Yeah. No, cringe. Alright, well, get the fuck out of here. Me and my 1 key. Do have 32 bombs. Still plays, fellas. Still plays. Not here. Is it here? No. Anywhere in here. Or it could be nowhere in here, I guess. That's also possible. Could be here. Be random as fuck. Okay. Shit, might as well. Okay. Oh, you don't really give much interesting. I love Rotten Hearts. Let's go. Alright, fellas, now we can leave. Finally, speed up. Holy. That's all I ever wanted. Oh, Angel's still here. I'm taking advantage. Open it again? That was huge. Alright, well. Bye-bye. Big stars? Not taking Pony Rib. Heard there's Pony Rib fans out there. Okay. What are these items? Like, God, we started strong items. This ain't a chief. Okay. This fucking game sometimes, bro. These have a key. So you get money, yeah. Yeah. Shouldn't we rule kamikaze until I folly? I'm out, but I'll do it. Die. It's still Principal Creed until it isn't. I go shop with my $0? No. God, this fucking sucks. 136 massive. Okay. All the bombable things in here. You, and you. Okay. So we definitely go shop now. Another soul. Give me an item. Coward. By any chance, there's a reroll machine in your shop. Yay. One more? Nope, that's it. I enjoy having 30 bombs. I like that. I'll take it. Yay! I'm poor. See, okay, this is why I started this fucking, like, even had the idea to start a series like this. The fucking dailies, bro. They're awesome. It's just always interesting. Although, you know, like, third floor, 15 minutes. Maybe it's some people's definition of awesome. Sure, some mine. Like, this would never happen in one of my normal runs. That's why I just don't fucking play this game anymore. And then they launched online, and I realized this was a thing. Don't turn into a bunny? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Are we get Guppy off this one cursor? Awesome. Shall we do it again, fellas? Can we do it again? Oh. What? Okay. That's not great. Totally almost didn't forget he was gonna do that. Shut up. Shut up, dude. For real. Wait, do I almost die here? What the fuck? Finally! Roll. I like that. This is Star of Bethlehem, right? Yeah, it is. Like that also. I keep taking damage. I'll go take soul hearts and shit. Yeah. I don't know why I'm rigging so hard, but I just feel like it. Oh, that's sad. How much health is on the ground? I do this. Yeah, okay, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. That does not mean I find another angel though. Oh no, I just get that. Not bad though. Yeah, I fucking. I do fight an angel. Okay. Can I turn my brain off for 1 second, man? Okay. Key piece. No. There isn't enough anything on this floor to get the second one. So we'll keep it at that. Hi. Yay! I start Bethlehem. You damn well know we're waiting for that boy. Finally! Fucking D6 to something good for us. Hey. And then we get Magic Mush? Hey. Hear me out here. Let me go. Please. I'm begging. On my knees. So we didn't get Magic Mush. Hey, good try though. Crawl space. If I can aim. Oh, this has to be. No. Come on. Actually, I do care about super secret. You can give me hearts and shit. I need healing badly. On the game here. It's not there. Something's over there. Wow. Shocker. Of course. Okay, man, we finally beat this. I know, fucking have heart over there. I don't care. We're gaining. We're not gaining. I don't know why I did that. That was a bad idea. Here's up is humongous. Humongous. What does this give me again? I can blow you up. Money. Or buy. Yay! What's in here? Seraphim isn't bad. I didn't know what to say that though. TBH. Hey, this is just more chances to get Magic Mush, to be honest. This is one of the rooms of all time. I dislike it. What is a Star of Bethlehem? IRL. Funny Grimace. Shake. I think Grimace got a fat ass. I think Grimace got a fat ass. What? Cameron Conception. Ooh. I don't know why, like, food that it's not that good. I don't know, just explosive shots upon explosive shots, which is a pretty baller, I think. Wow, Jippy. That was a bad idea. Why did I do that? Oh man, that's why. 3 fire rate Ipecac is why I did not. Okay, this room sucks. This is screaming secret room. What? What hit me? This is the worst room invented. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop. Oh. Okay. Scream secret room, but it's not there. So what is this for real? Guess that's useful. Delicious. Honestly, I love Ipecac since I got like 2 straight runs with it in a row. When I was doing my marks, I don't like remember how that happened, but I think literally 2 runs in a row. Ipecac, first time in the room. It was awesome. It wasn't a very hard character though, which kind of sucks, but was it Tainted Labs? I don't fucking remember it. It was quite a while. I just remember that I was doing marks on that motherfucking grind set, and then I got 2 Ipecacs runs in a row. So those were like the fucking shrimpless check marks ever. Ooh, yeah, I do have that now. See, I'm smart, guys. Maybe one day we'll get a secret room. Maybe one day. How's life, guys? I said I work at Burger King, that's not true. Actually, I work at fucking... I work at school. I go to school. Actually, I don't go to school. I'm done with school for 20 minutes, you know. I try here. Yeah, finally. Should have saw somebody new there at the beginning. I'm just fucking stupid. See, now that's what I'm talking about. No, it's not what I'm talking about. Cool, okay. Pay to win. I didn't even fucking see those adventure cards. I feel so stupid. No. Like, period. Huh. Edmund McMillan? You motherfucker. Please? Okay. Coward. I'm trying to get the goddamn... The goddamn Eternal D6. Dude. Is there battery in my shop? Please, someone's battery in my shop. I'm going to cry. What is a battery super secret? I don't know, man. There's a battery in the shop. This is big. And then we get that certificate. It's that triple. I mean, the infinity. I roll past it. Tiny hot mushroom? What about it? What'd it do? Yeah, see? See, honestly, I am a tiny hot mushroom hater 95% of the time, but with the pickaxe, I feel like it just made sense. Oh, come on, I know this is super secret. Brr. Bro, where the fuck is super secret? I've tried every single goddamn thing. Whatever. Let's finally get out of here. Shut up. Real scary here with my Ipecac. I could get shoved in caves too. Am I gonna do it? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Nah, bad. With my impenetrable skill issue, I'll take it. Alright, goodbye. Halfway done. It's been half an hour. Jamming. Swear to God, we'll get like a quick run, quick and easy one of these days. Just not with a pickaxe. And, you know, the fucking P6. Boom, you're dead. Ooh, hell yeah. How many times am I gonna make this mistake? You have flight? Does he shoot Ipecac deers? You do. I knew that. Just wanted to make sure. Death comes to you. I'm not gonna take the shit. Be 100% real with you. No, that is flight though. Yeah, right. In fact, that wasn't flight. I feel so stupid. Baller. Now this requires what? Oh, actually, yeah, I need to shoot my shots. Of course. Just to get a third pickaxe. I'm getting just everything wrong this run, dude. It's crazy. I do got like 3 pickaxe shots though. Kind of big. Kind of a big deal. You wouldn't know. Then you can pay out. Not yet. Okay. Triple pickaxe shot is a little fucking stupid. You can see yourself out. You're paying in my ass, you are. Okay. Because why not, fellas? What is this? The food? No? Like, generally speaking? Why are we secret rooms, bro? It's fun. Would I break every skull? Yes. Are they all going to be hosts? Like, every single one of them? Yes. Actually, there was only one, it's fine. More hosts. The host again, fuck you. Please. Rip Miter. Rip Miter. I'm not getting hit by this. Thank you very much. Dude, where is Secret Room? For fuck's sakes. How do I do this? Where is it? Is it here? Okay, yeah. Okay. What? Oh, he didn't drop fucking Steam sale. How cringe. Okay. Mega Battle Lovers. I mean, who needs rerolls realistically? What do I want even? I guess I can go rock bottom. Is that? Well, it's too late to go rock bottom. What the fuck do I want here? There goes Sacred Heart. I lose my voice. That's what I want. I could charge shots. No, I think the smart play is to go Sacred Heart. Simply because balls. Simply because I can't get Angel anymore. So, like, it's almost impossible for me to get it to begin with. And also, it's like a Q4, so probably not gonna fucking get it. I just need to find it. East Mascara could be big, but no money. Stop it. No, I'm not gonna. Oh, the Godhead. I don't have Godhead very often. Is this Wheel of Fortune? Interesting. Dude, where in the God's name is Sacred Heart? Second Explosivo will be pretty big. Did I Tech X? Oh, the reverse. It's okay. I don't believe Tech X would be very good, to be honest. I walk into Bomber Boy. I don't walk into Bomber Boy. Oh, Guinea Stone could be interesting, actually. Dude, where is it? Mama Mega. Could be good. Jacob's Ladder. Oh, the fucking shovel. Oh, Malacria. Trisagion. Here's Pog Bottom. I was thinking about going for that, but no. Immaculate Heart. That's like almost it. Red Key. Where is fucking Sacred? Actually, oh, Genesis. I fucking love Genesis, but I'm not gonna go for it. I could go for Birthright, you're right. Not yet. Magic Skin, I do like Magic Skin actually. C-section was an option I thought of, to be honest. But I don't believe it's very interesting, to be honest. So no. I'll be looking for my Sacred Heart again, because I'm dumb. nowadays. Could go for Neptunus. Could be interesting with fucking Ipecac. Where is it? Am I going to look up where is Ipecac? Sacred. Did I miss it in one of the first rooms? Maybe. Brimstone. Dude, it's so sad how Brimstone and Ipecac. Wait, does Brimstone? It does, doesn't it? I could get a second Ipecac. Okay, there's Sacred Heart, but Brimstone Ipecac though. Brimstone Ipecac Repentance. The character doesn't gain damage up or deals down should the power turn on Brimstone. Huh? Not what I thought it did. Isaac shoots a PX while charging Brimstone. Flood damage bonus reduced, not modified. The beam exploded in the first enemy obstacle. Yeah, funny video. Just checking what is going on. So he does have the Brimstone. He has the Ipecac. Shoot, I want to see what happens. Shoot. Daigo Trisagion allegedly was fixed, which could be very strong. Right, you just get a Boomba Brimstone. I guess Simulacria Brimstone would be it. Fuck, man. Okay, Darko Sacred Heart, like I said earlier. Dude, I just don't know what to do. Might want to go Sacred Heart, to be honest. But Hemolacria. Hemolacria funny. Ipecac Trisagion. Funny also. Yeah, Night only. It's not as good as it was. I'm gonna go Sacred Heart actually. Alright, awesome. Plus 4. I thought it was a ×2. God damn it. I'm not going to Lost Contact. No. No. I'm not doing that. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Might have been right goal. Okay. What is the fucking point? Still like... Okay, I leave. Okay. Yep, you go. Deponia. No. I can just hold the hard button and then only move the drop one. Yeah, this got kind of strong, kind of quick. Oh, asshole. Do your job. Sacred Heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. What the creep? Massive. Okay, how's that there? Sacred Heart. There you go. Okay, I guess. I was trying that, dude. I'm so tired. No. Maybe. It could be funny. It's also, you know, going to kill me, but no. Give me. Pussy. I don't have high luck. Why am I getting... Loki's even luck based. What is going on? Okay, this Loki's horn is going to get me killed. Ugh. Okay. I knew it. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, Loki's horn. This is just not a good idea. I feel quite stupid. I thought, man, because I have like homing and shit. It's like a cool idea, I thought. In fact, it wasn't. It is going to get me killed. And that's all. Yay. Gay people are pretty baller. Fucking face myself. Yep. That will actually fucking save my life. Okay. I hate this room. Personally. Oh, it's this fight. Luma? Fuck, I need one. Stand in the middle. Skill issue. Actually, I go sacrificial Walter here. Ha ha ha, yep. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. I just see 80 damage. Okay. Guppy's hairball is a no. Bye-bye. Secret room. It's Jack balls. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Spider-Man, for being the model spiders. Oh, I have that. Why did I pick that? Well, it doesn't really matter at this point, honestly. Like, I don't know. Epic accent for his fucking dick and balls. Usagi was almost just fucking kill that entire boss by himself. Hey, shit, man. That's crazy. Okay. This goes nowhere. I'm usually pretty good at finding bosses first try. Okay. Prove me wrong, I guess. Oh, there you go. Wasn't exactly first try, but I'll do that. I'm gonna fall back quickly. Die. 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 Alright. Yay. No. Okay. That is actively fucking worse. Huge. Goodbye. Yeah. Okay. He's dead, guys. I don't fucking care. Okay. I know what's gonna happen, guys. We get a Q4 item. Okay, we got none of them. What is this? Yeah, sure.
Ace of diamonds.
One monners. One schmeckles. Oh, that's Satan, not Mega Satan. Okay, I'm gonna need to concentrate. I'm very close to losing a very winnable run. Skill issue. Fuck out there. Fuck out the way. Oh. Not there. No, I would bomb it. Okay, Secret Root Gaming. Even though we don't have Miter anymore. Is there another? Maybe the last one. Okay, Soul Heart Gaming. Soul Heart Gaming. Secret. Mom. I should have made that payout. Oh, Soul Heart Gaming. Die. Death upon you, child. Honestly. What you deserve. I mean, these are not bad items, just not to the point I am. These are bad items. I want to take this, because conjoined. Next one is conjoined. That's gonna be fucking huge. Okay, last floor. Only an hour in, fellas. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. How? Ah, fuck. Okay. And that's it. Oh no, it's not. Oh, she wrote actually. Okay, one of my least favorite parts of a game. Of a boss, whatever, you understood? We've in. What is my placement? Pretty mid. What happened? State bonus, exploration, swag, damage penalty. Maybe I took a little bit of damage. Item penalty? My items were fucking awesome. Alright. Swear to God, I had some better. Dude, I was like 270 like yesterday. Okay. Where is it? Where was I 260? Oh, it might have just changed by then. Yeah, I think it was this one. I was like 260, but you know, it went down in time, and this is today. Okay. Friends. I don't fucking have friends. What the fuck? What? What happened here? Okay, well, whatever. It's ogre. It's ogre, fellas. Good night.